If you're a WRX fan, before you buy a WRX, especially a modified one, there's one mistake most buyers make, and it can cost you thousands. Stay until the end. I'll test you with a few quick questions most buyers get wrong. This is a 2020 Subaru WRX, finished in Crystal Black Silica and upgraded with over $6,000 in performance parts. This is not your average WRX. This one is built right the way it should be. But most don't. First, check the engine bay, especially on a modified WRX. This is where most problems start, and if this part isn't done right, nothing else matters. Look for clean installation, no loose wiring, no oil leaks. Everything should feel tight and professionally done. Because here's the thing, a clean engine bay usually means the car was cared for, but a messy one is a red flag. But the engine isn't even the biggest mistake people make. Quiz time. What's the most expensive WRX issue? A. Air filter. B. Timing chain. C. Washer fluid. Take a second. Think about it. Yes, it's B. Timing chain. If you got that right, you're already ahead of most buyers. Now let's move on, because this next part is where things really start to show up. Most people completely overlook this part, and it shows up the moment you drive the car. Next, check the suspension. This WRX is running coilovers, so you want to look for leaks, uneven height, or signs of bad installation. During a drive, listen for clunks or noise. A proper setup should feel tight, smooth, and controlled. Quiz time. Let's test your knowledge. What does uneven tire wear usually mean? A. Good alignment. B. Suspension problem. C. Normal wear. Think about it. Correct answer. Suspension or alignment issues. And we're just getting started. That's one of the most overlooked signs, and it shows up fast. Now let's check something you can hear instantly. And this is where you can instantly tell if the car was built properly or just thrown together. Now, check the exhaust. This one has an upgraded performance system. Look underneath the car. Make sure everything is mounted properly. No loose hangers, no damage. When running, it should sound clean. Not rattling, not rough. Now here's something most people ignore, but it tells you everything about the car. Inside the car, check everything. Windows, dashboard lights, infotainment system. Make sure everything works. Look at the seats, the steering wheel, the overall condition. This one features a carbon fiber steering wheel, giving it a true performance feel. A clean interior tells you a lot about the owner. Don't forget the trunk. Check for damage, water signs, or poor alignment. It should be clean and consistent with the rest of the car. Quiz time. What tells you the most about how a car was treated? A. Exterior shine. B. Engine size. C. Interior condition. What do you think? Yes, the answer is interior condition. Did you get all three right? Or did one catch you off guard? Let me know in the comments. If you caught that, you're paying attention. Now let's take a closer look at the details that really separate a clean car from a problem one. And this is where most people get it wrong. So here's what most people miss. They don't check how the mods were installed. They don't check suspension setup. And they don't check the details that reveal real condition. Now look at the exterior. This WRX stands out with a full body kit, rear diffuser, and custom wheels. Make sure everything lines up properly. No gaps, no poor fitment. Everything should look intentional. So to recap, check the engine, check the mods, check the suspension, and check the exhaust. Make sure everything is installed properly, and the car feels right. A good WRX should feel strong, clean, and well put together. This WRX stands out, with over $6,000 in upgrades, combining performance, style, and individuality. This one is done right. And if you're looking at other performance cars, there are even bigger mistakes to avoid. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more car buying guides and reviews.